Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn addition in Excel. I have some numbers in sub 1 and sub 2, which we will add using the Excel formula. Our values are in the A and B columns and the first row is 2 till 7. Let's begin with the first row formula. Enter equals A2 plus B2 and then enter the answer, which will pop up as total. Then using the same formula we will enter equals A3 plus B3 and then enter and the answer will appear as a total of sub 1 and sub 2. The other method is to copy/paste the formula in the below column and Excel will automatically take it as a reference. And another method is to drag the cell using a mouse till the end and the formula will be applied and show the results precisely. These are the various methods to add to Excel. Thank you everyone for watching the video.